Welcome back. You're watching Newsline. I'm Cholapansa Narula, and now it's time for some health talks. Of course, we have the health talk segment every week. Today, we'll take you to unveil the secrets of Thai herbs in cosmetics. Let's take a look.
Good morning and welcome to today's health talk segment. For hundreds of years, Thai herbs has been a greater part of Thai traditional medicine when it comes to caring for the health and beauty. And that's exactly the topic we're going to talk about today with our very own health guru, Dr.Orawan. So let's start with our very first question today. I would like to know what are the popular Thai herbs currently used in cosmetic and beauty care products these days?
Yes, nowadays the most popular is the Poreria Marifica. We call in Thai like white gao kheur khao. This is most famous because we use from I think more than 200 years in Thai ancient herbal product for rejuvenation, both for oral and for topical. And it's the famous that most of the Japanese or the white ground or Poreria Marifica to Japan million tons to use for rejuvenation in the skincare products.
So it's very popular.
Very popular and scientific proof too. Many Thai herbs, we have I think thousands of Thai herbs, but the one that scientific proof is not more than 200 that have all the scientific proof. But it's have been proved by the nature because they use from ancient time until now and no side effect. This is why natural herbal products is famous nowadays.
But not all products are not free of side effects, right? There are some certain herbs that also are full of side effects as well.
Yes, even the Poreria that I just talked about,
yes.
It have side effect too. They have been tried in this research that if they use a lot of amount, like 2,500 milligram per day for the mice, it will cause the lethal effect. So the same in human. Everything have to be in the modest, the optimum dose of each kind.
So you should use in a proper amount. That would be the best way.
Yes.
So I've heard that you don't recommend people to use these Thai herbs to do it themselves at home. Is it true?
In dermatology, we found a lot of like we call phytophotodermatitis. Phyto is from plant. Photodermatitis is mean that cause reaction from the sun. So if you use the herbal extracts which come from the plant extract and you use for topical and you did not cleanse it well, so it will remain on your skin, and then when it contact to the sun, the UV, it will cause photodermatitis, cause redness, and someone even no redness at all, it's turned to hyperpigment. We found many like using the lemon. Lemon is a kind of herb they like to use, put on like mask for the face,
yes.
Or with cucumber or something packed on the face.
Yes.
Mask, doing like a mask, and they didn't cleanse it well. Then later they have hyperpigment, which the hyperpigment caused by phytophotodermatitis, it will remain there deeply and hard to be cured too. So it's have to be careful with this aspect.
Because anyone can just not clean it properly, right? There is no way to know that it's already clean because it might leave some leftover of the product. Am I correct?
Mm-hmm.
And I've heard that in your products you also used some Thai herbs as well. What are those herbs that you use?
We use the Thai herb that have been scientific proof already, like
yes.
the Poreria Marifica. This is the Poreria Marifica. It's a white guava, or we call in Thai gao kheur khao. Gao kheur khao is a very famous product of Thailand, and usually we plant it in the northern part of Thailand. It can help many things like hair growth. We put it in the shampoo. It can help rejuvenate the skin, and when we combine with nanotechnology, it goes deeper, make the skin radiant, glowing, and also reduce the wrinkle too, and make the skin bright. And later now we develop using many kinds of Thai herbs that is the best one. Like we have like Poreria inside, ginseng, aloe vera,
Yes.
and also the lotus and also silk inside. All these have the synergistic effect and all scientific proof for each kind of the herbs. And we blend it together with nanotechnology, so it's not only help anti-free radical, make the skin radiant, it can also plump up the skin, and some like effect like AHA, so it's have mild peeling to expose the inner cell layer, make the skin more bright.
So altogether it's very effective.
Yes, and
I see.
all these are scientific proof, and we have the clinical test to support too.
So been
And-
through all the experiments and there is no side effect.
No side effect because this is hypoallergic and
I see.
dermatologic proof and non-comedogenic too.
So that's very good for your skin, better than those on the stores which might have side effect, right?
But and it also not only for female. This can be applied for
For
both
men as
gender.
well.
Yes.
So that's very great. But men tend to not care much about their skin, so this could be a really good option for them. And I've heard that your institute just received another award from the government. Could you explain more about that award for us?
It's from the Minister of Industry. They
okay.
select 10 Thai top product to be announced for the award, and all this product have to be made from Thai herbs because
Okay.
the government now want to promote Thai herbal product to overseas.
But there is also plenty of herbal cosmetics in the market. You can see in the supermarket. Sometimes there are some other aloe vera type. What should we look for that we would know that it's safe for us?
I think have to look at the active ingredients and look at the scientific proof of each product too.
I see. So we should look for a sign that is scientific approved, FDA approved. Unfortunately, that's all the time I have for this episode of Health Talk segment. I hope you'll join us again next time. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
สวัสดี
ส
ค่ะ
วัสดีค่ะ
And that's all the time we have for